Welcome back to Triple B's Barbecue. Look, where we burn rubber and not our meat, and we get outside and cook something, baby. Look, today we got something special, man. Today I'm doing a collab with Alton over at the DawgFatha BBQ and CJ with CJ Cooks. We are all three sponsored by Porter Road, and today we got that THORS hammer, baby. Oh, man, this is gonna be good. So go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, grab a cold one, get comfortable, and come along for this ride, baby. I had purchased some rubs from Uncle Steve's Shake, and he sent me a whole bunch of stuff. Y'all don't worry about that. Today, I think we're going to go with the Lucky Shake, and we are also going to try the original. Now, I've mentioned before how much I like this Porter Road meat, man. Look, y'all make sure y'all go into that link in the description, man, and you'll get you a percentage off. We're gonna open this up like so. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to try to take this fat cap off, and we're going to do so in a very delicate manner. As you can see, there's some silver skin in there as well. Even with the sharp knife, that stuff is tough, man. I wanna be able to, when we season this, to get some seasoning on the actual meat. Hey, look, and I know y'all noticed this cutting board. This is custom done by my uncle. My uncle has a wood shop, and I am going to link his Instagram in the video. He does some awesome work, man, and he loves doing woodwork. I really don't want to take any meat off of this. For the most part, that looks pretty good. So we're gonna go in with this original right here, and I'm gonna start from the top. And then we'll turn it to the side. And we just want to get everything really good. We're gonna go in with some of this Lucky Shake, and it smells fantastic, guys. A couple of strands of this butcher twine on there, and we just gonna, I'm not no butcher, we're gonna cinch that up, and then we're gonna snippy. And this is a perfect time for me to tell you about our sponsor today, Porter Road. Now, their motto is, if it's not raised right, it can't be delicious. No hormones, no antibiotics, and guaranteed pasture raised. And by sourcing from pastures in Kentucky and Tennessee and dry aging and hand cutting in their own facilities, they are setting a new standard for meat. After years of serving their local community, they are now delivering nationwide. Once you taste the difference, you'll never go back. Whether you're cooking for 2 people or 10, firing up the grill or the skillet, how you're cooking matters, and they want to help you get it right every time. By practicing whole animal butchery, they're able to offer tons of incredible cuts and guide you towards the perfect one for any occasion. Another thing about Porter Road is they have a lot of offcuts that you can't find in your local store. Once again, thank you, Porter Road. And from here, we're going to go on the pit at about 250 degrees. We're running mesquite today. Let's go. We're gonna be cooking with our MeatStick X today. If you want one of these, link in the description. Wireless, Wi-Fi. Look, you can't go wrong with this. Find the thickest part. And 4.5 hours later, she's pretty tough. I'm loving the color. We're taking this off because I like the color of this. It's time to wrap this. I don't want this cooked to last forever. So now we got the probe out. We're gonna pour this marrow out. It's just sitting in there. It's been boiling over. It's not a lot, but it's just enough. We'll go ahead and put that little bit on there, like so. I have 2 sheets of foil that I've interlaced together and then wrapped it real tight. That way it won't leak. And we are going to add some red wine to braise it with. So I'm going to put that in there like that. Just a little bit of braising liquid here. Wrap this up tight. A little bit of wine made its way into where the bone marrow was. Now that we got our beef shank wrapped up like a present, look, I'm gonna throw this in the oven at 275 degrees, just like I've been running here. Just let it finish its way out. This ought to braise real nice and get real good and tender. Hey, do your boy a favor. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I come out with a new video. Hey, and at the same time, look, links to the description of my two partners that's doing this same video, man. They're gonna have a totally different outtake on it. They're gonna do it their way. It ought to make for a good little binge watching session, watching 3 different people, 3 different ways cook THORS hammer. I'll bring y'all back when we pull it out, man. So y'all sit tight and remember, man, grab another cold one, man. We done, man. We made it through this cook. Let's unwrap this present and see what we got. Now, I pulled this out at 205 degrees. I opened it up just like this and let it vent for a little while until it got down to about 165 degrees. I can't wait any longer. So we're gonna pull the meat stick, and man, I can tell you right now, this is like butter. We're gonna pull this up. So I'm gonna take this knife and I'm going to take these off. Man, this smells phenomenal with that red wine. I'll just peel it off. It's not as tender as I'd like. Maybe I should have taken it a little bit further. Maybe I should have rested it like a brisket. I mean, we got a total of 9 hours on this. Look at this. I mean, it's just falling apart. This would be perfect meat for like a taco or something. I mean, come on guys, that is phenomenal. Maybe the next one that I cook, I will rest it for like 12 hours, like a brisket or something. Okay, let's see how this THORS hammer, this beef shank, let's see how it holds up to anything else. This is my first time tasting this. It doesn't just like melt or disintegrate in my mouth, but it still has a little bit of a chew, but it is so soft, man. You got to order this and try it. And if you can, braise it. When you go to wrap it, braise it in some red wine, man. I think I used like maybe a quarter of a bottle. I think the next time that I do, because I will definitely be doing this again because this tastes phenomenal. But look, don't take my word for it, order you one. If you braise it with red wine, make sure you drop a couple of dollops of some cold butter down in there with it. It would probably just enhance it even more than what it already is. This is good. And that Uncle Steve shake, we used 2 of his shakes, and oh my God, that rub is really good. It shines through, got the perfect amount of saltiness to it, the right amount of pepper. I will leave a link to Uncle Steve's shake down in the description below, along with my link to Porter Road. They have cuts from everywhere. I've seen cuts on there that were $14 all the way up to $100. There's something there for you. Make sure you go to Porter Road, hit that link in the description, and you'll get a 10% discount on your order. Y'all don't forget, burn rubber, not your meat. Get out there and cook something, baby. We'll catch y'all on the next one now.
Long sleeve, feet long, kick game, off-white. Fendi this, Fendi that, run that set all night. I ain't tryna cover 'em, I just wanna know what that y'all like. We are not the same, no I do not.